Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace engine air filter on 2016 Chevy Traverse. This is also gonna apply to other GM vehicles such as GMC ACADIA, BUICK ENCLAVE, SATURN Outlook and others. Engine air filter on this vehicle is located in engine compartment on the driver's side right under this air box. So to remove this air box, first we'll have to remove this hose, and for that I'm gonna be using flathead screwdriver. So we're gonna loose it up right there. You don't have to unscrew it all the way, so just to loose it up a little bit, and then we'll have to remove it, actually pull it from the air box. When this screw is loose, you simply just want to pull it out of the way, just like that, and just leave it like that for now. Next thing, we'll have to remove this plug. To remove this plug, you will have to use a flathead screwdriver to loose this security red plastic piece, and when you are done with that, just press on this black tab and pull it out. Next step is to remove 6 Torx screws that are holding this box to the housing, and for that I'm gonna be using a ratchet with Torx bit number 20. So I remove first one just so you can see. This is that Torx screw. You have 6 of them. 2 are right here, so 1, 2, you have 3, 4 and 5, 6. Now when you have all 6 Torx screws out, you just want to wiggle that air box out. Now if you remove this screw right here, you can lift this part up, and then you can actually pull this air box from this end. Now when the air box is removed, you have access to your engine air filter. Just want to lift it up and replace it with a brand new one. You also want to make sure that your housing is clean. If you have any dirt or debris there, it's a good idea to vacuum it up and clean it up before installing a new air filter. You can see the difference in the new and or old engine air filter. So now I'm gonna install a new one inside. So there is only one way it can fit, and this is the way. You want to make sure it's all nice and aligned. When you have the air filter inside nicely aligned, you will have to put air box back on. Just be careful with those hoses here, you don't want to trap them. Once you have it nice and aligned, you want to connect this plug back in. Now you want to tighten this up. Now I tighten up this hose, this plug is back in, and the last thing is you wanna put back those 6 of the Torx screws. I put all the 6 Torx screws back inside, and now job is completed. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.